great island of New Guinea, there are 42 different species of birds of paradise, each more bizarre than the last. This forest is so rich that nourishing food can be gathered very quickly. That leaves the male six-plumed bird of paradise with time to concentrate on other matters, like tidying up his display area. Everything must be spick and span. All is ready. Very impressive, but no one is watching. The superb bird of paradise calls to attract a female. And he has more luck. But what does he have to do to really impress her? She retires to consider her verdict. It's hard not to feel deflated when even your best isn't good enough. In Western Australia, these dolphins have taken on an even tougher challenge. The fish have taken refuge close to the beach where the water The fish are tantalizingly close, but they're still out of reach. So the dolphins try another technique. Vigorously pumping their tails, they work up some speed. And then they hydroplane. Their momentum carries them right through the shallowest waters and onto the fish. Now they're in real danger of being stranded. But fortune favors the brave. Younger dolphins lie alongside, watching. But so far, only 8 individuals here have mastered this daring technique.